Jai Guru. Hi, all of my dear viewers, followers, learners, subscribers, non-subscribers, and all the newcomers. I hope that you are fit and fine. You are all fit and fine, safe and healthy by the grace of Sri Sri Thakur Unukul Chandra. I am going to offer you here only writing and spoken English, vocabularies or stroke of word series, especially only for the Bengali medium students. I hope that this will help you to understand the subject with practical experience. Always desire to teach something useful or informative. Try to watch at the end of the video. Please subscribe, like and share this channel to encourage and motivate me for more interesting and useful videos. Wish you all the very best for your future. God bless and may you win. However, let's get started the topic. Dear friends and family, today we gather to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Saraswati Puja, honoring the goddess of knowledge, music, arts, and creativity. Ma Saraswati embodies the power of education, creativity, and wisdom. She inspires us. She inspires us to seek knowledge. She inspires us to seek knowledge, to think critically, and to cultivate our talents. As we worship Ma Saraswati, let us remember the importance of education, self-improvement, and creativity in our lives. May her blessings ignite, spark within us, guiding us towards a brighter future. Let us pray that Ma Saraswati's wisdom and knowledge illuminate our path, helping us to overcome challenges and achieve our goals. Jai Ma Saraswati. May her divine blessings be upon us all. Jai Guru. Namaste.